So this is the talk show. So students, the topic that we are going to discuss today in this talk show is the reasons behind corruption. India is considered a corrupt country. We find the corruption is on the peak in our country. It is not the most corrupt country in the world, but still we find corruption in every sector. So let's talk about what are the reasons behind corruption and how we can control the corruption. So first let me know, are you ready to speak on this topic?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Say loudly, how the Joes?
Hi,
Okay, so let's start. Yes.
See, my name is Jinal Patel, and as all of you tell that corruption is that it is a major problem of India.
Yeah.
And especially in politics, it is increasing day by day.
Okay.
It is depending on us also that if there is a big people who is doing corruption, so we are not aware of that. We just say that the person is big. We can't. We are the we compare like a class that he's from upper class. We can't stop it. We are from middle class. So
Yeah.
like this should not be happen. Like everyone should be treated equally, and everything should be right.
Okay. Who are very much corrupt? Politicians are bureaucratic.
I think politicians are so much corrupted because politics is the corrupted field. Like politics, anytime politics has so much corrupted people.
What
like
about the bureaucracy? Don't you think that in the
Yes, sir.
bureaucracy also we find
Bureaucrat-
so much corruption?
bureaucrat?
Whenever
is
we
such
go
a-
to any office, we have to pay some amount of money
But,
to get the work done
but-
on time.
But politics can more corrupted, like Coal India. They have 70,000 crore and above corrupted, and so much corruption like politics also big corrupted. And
Okay.
corruption like a cancer.
Yes.
Cancer can destroy your cells in your body, and corruption can destroy the system in
That's the good point. He's saying that corruption is just like a cancer. When our body suffers from cancer, it destroys our body. In the same way, the cancer of corruption is destroying our nation. So the question arises, how we can stop corruption? कोई अपनी views देना चाहता है personally, sir, I want to speak something. Yes.
Today, corruption is the biggest problem of our India.
Okay.
Today, India is at 94 number in the world terms of corruptions.
Okay.
We need to stop corruption. If we want to stop corruption, so if we don't stop corruption, so our democratic systems will be duplicated. There are many reasons for spread of corruption, like that greediness, low income, and populations, etc.
Okay.
There are many ways. There are many ways to control corruptions. We should put in camera in a government office, and secondly, stop the corruption, and bribery should be stopped.
Okay.
And etc. Thank you.
Chali, that's good. Yes. Anything special? Yes.
Sir, in my opinion, India is a country of corruption also. It is not very much, but there is corruption in India.
Yes.
So, it is day by day it will be increasing. But in my opinion, we should not take bribe.
Bribe.
Because of bribe, corruption will be increased. So, we should be honest for that, because it is up to us that we are taking bribe or not. So we should be
But
honest.
people are not going to listen. They are not going to stop. They love to take bribe.
Yes, sir, this is the problem of corruption, and that's why India is increasing on that.
Okay, let's move on to the other speakers. Yes. Do you want to say anything? By standing up, you have to speak. Beg rakh dijiye. Yes.
So corruption is corruption is spread all around us, because corruption in India exists on all sectors, like private sector and government.
Do you
sector.
really think that in private sector there is also corruption?
So I think government sector
Are more corrupt.
More corrupt.
Okay.
Because bribery is the most common type of corruption,
Okay.
and greed of money and greed of money and ignorance of people are some reason of corruption, because politics are also engaged in it.
Okay.
So making our country corruption free is not easy, but not impossible. If we want to make our country corruption free, so we can.
We can.
Because
So how we can make, that's the question, how we can make our nation corruption free?
important rights are the best means of combat to corruption,
Okay.
and the youth of today have a responsibility to refuse to accept the pay of bribe.
Exactly. If the youth decide that we are not going to take bribe, we will not bribe, and we will not take bribe. The day when the youth will decide it, I think then we can root out the corruption completely from the nation. Otherwise, it becomes very tough, because every sector we find the corruption is there. And about the bureaucracy and politics, what do you think which is very much corrupt? Bureaucracy or politics?
Sir, I don't know about
Bureaucracy, the what you can say, नौकरशाह, like जिसमें नौकरी लोग जो करते हैं वो नौकरी करने वाले लोग ज़्यादा करप्ट है, नेता लोग ज़्यादा करप्ट
I
है.
think
Politicians are more corrupt than bureaucratic. Why?
Sir, I don't.
You can't say. चलिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, is there anybody who is going to say anything special about the topic? Yes. Manish is going to say something. Manish, you are from Hindi medium, right?
Yes, sir, I am from Hindi medium, and I am saying how to stop corruption. First and all, government can monitor every department, so definitely corruption can reduce, and government can do strict law of corruption. So that's why corruption can and government choose like not only his basis to how to have a person is good, they also be his character.
Yes.
Which type of character you have to do. So that is point, they definitely corruption can reduce.
That's the good. And also there must be award for the honesty.
Yes, sir.
If somebody is working with honesty,
Honesty, yes, sir.
and
Rewarded
you know,
to
so there must be any kind of the award session for
Yes,
those employees who are working with
Employees
honesty.
Yes, sir.
You know, so कहीं न कहीं इससे हम उसको बढ़ावा दे सकते हैं, appreciate कर सकते हैं,
Yes, sir.
right? But right now the people who are working with honesty, they are called foolish, right? They are called foolish. Why they are called foolish?
Because everyone know about what is the
Because
basic
they
need.
are honest.
Yes, sir.
And कहीं न कहीं उनकी honesty को somehow we are not giving response to their honesty. That is why. Okay, let's know what other students are going to say. Yeah. And let's talk about bureaucracy in politics, where we find corruption much in bureaucracy or in politics.
Sir, politics.
ज़्यादा corruption कहाँ होता है?
Sir, politics.
Politics में होता है. Bureaucracy, you understand? नौकरशाह जो जॉब करने वाले लोग हैं, कलेक्टर से लगाकर एक चपरासी तक, all these people comes in the category of bureaucracy. And politicians, सरपंच से लगाकर PM मोदी तक, ये सब लोग किस में आते हैं? Politicians में आते हैं. आ रही बात समझ में? तो who are very much corrupt? Politicians are bureaucratic. Yes. What she is going to say about the corruption? Yes.
I think corruption is a government sector is a more corrupted, because you go any work for do in a government sector, so you give the money for any work. So it is a very big problem in us, because we all peoples have no money to give the corruption and all work. And other education system is also corrupted, because all the big exams, so some students have less marks, but they give donation and take a degree. It is a big problem in a corruption in our India.
Country, yes.
India. So I think government do in this field work. Thank you.
Okay, government should think about it. Actually, that's a good thing. Yes, let's talk about more things. Is there anybody who's going to say anything special? Yeah, Shruti is going to say something.
There are many moments. There are many moments to before corruption.
Yeah.
Sampurna Granti moment in 1974 by Jay Prakash Narayan,
Yes.
and moment of Vishwanath Pratap Singh in
Yes.
1989,
Mhm.
and it's a moment are successful by peoples. Yeah, it's and our government also taken steps of against corruption.
Okay.
As demonization of 500 and 1,000 notes, and shutting down shell companies, and lots of NGOs, thousands of organizations, and hundreds of officers who top corrupt. He's fired. They are fired.
They have been fired. Yes.
Fired.
Yes, yes. That's correct.
So our government has on a time and taken step before against corruption.
Against corruption, government have taken some steps.
Yes.
And if the government is corrupt, then yes. Okay, let's talk about. Is there anybody who's going to say anything special in the end of the session? Nobody. Okay. Yes.
Corruption is the biggest problem in our country. Not only politicians are corrupted, but almost every citizen involved in corruption. By changing our mindset, we can easily stop the corruption.
Okay.
And tough rules helpful for our tough rules helping for stopping the corruption.
Tough rules can be helpful to stop the corruption. The law must be strict. If the law is strict, then we can control it. Otherwise, it becomes very tough to control it. Okay, anyway, you all are from Hindi medium and you tried very well. You spoke very well. Some minor mistakes you made, but overall, I would say it was a nice discussions that we have done today. A good clapping for you all, guys.